we're gonna make a volcano. And first you put in 4 scoops of bicarb. And then you put in some food coloring. Mom, do you want me to only do, tell me when there's enough?
Okay, just a couple of drops.
And you can use any colour of food coloring, can't you, Mum?
Yeah.
That's enough. Mom, can you get me the camera for a second? I'm going to show them that. So that's what it looks like. You can't really see it because it's black and the volcano is black. So next you put in salt and vinegar.
Just vinegar.
Vinegar. Put in more. And that's how you make a volcano. Hey, why's it going blue? Sort of looks like butterfly. Over and out.